Now let's study the another topic, that is diversity in cell. The meaning of diversity is variation or variability. So a great differentiation can be seen in the cell. We know that every living being, like plants, animals, microorganisms, they all made up of cells. But these cells are not similar. They show the variation, and this variation is known as diversity in cell. अगर डाइवर्सिटी को हमें अच्छे से समझना है तो हमें सेल की डाइवर्सिटी को दो एस्पेक्ट में स्टडी करना होगा. फर्स्ट, दैट इज द शेप ऑफ द सेल, एंड सेकेंड, साइज ऑफ द सेल. So we can refer that diversity of shape of the cell and diversity of size of the cell. So let's study first, that is diversity in shape of the cell. तो सेल अलग अलग शेप रिप्रेजेंट करती है. इट कैन बी राउंड शेप, एज आई एम ड्रॉइंग हियर. यू कैन ऑल्सो ड्रॉ round shape of cell, and this round shape of cell, if we take one example, RBC, the best example, that is RBC, red blood corpuscles. So RBCs, here the singular, RBC, red blood corpuscle, it shows the round shape, but it also shows biconcave shape. अगर आप RBC को laterally देखें, in lateral manner, अगर आप उसे lateral view में देखें, so it shows the biconcave side. You can see this one is concave side and that also one concave surface. So both surface of RBC, they show the concave structure, and that is why the name given as biconcave. Bi means two, so biconcave shape. In the biology, every name consists of its very important meaning. So RBC, it represents round shape 100%, but if we see laterally, in lateral manner, so it shows biconcave shape. इसी तरह से अगर आप देखें तो there is oval shape structure of cell can be noticed, oval shapes, and the best example, that is hen's egg. जो egg होता है, it represents single cell. So you can see here, this is oval shape of cell, oval in shape, right? Thereafter, when we talk about the another shape of the cell, we refer as columnar. Column जैसे column होते हैं, in that manner, very much in length but short in width. So it represents as column-like structure, and these cells are found in our body's epidermis. हमारे digestive tract की epidermis या और भी दूसरे पार्ट की epidermis, वहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे तो these columnar cell are present over there. यहाँ cytoplasm होगा, nucleus होगा, so this is columnar like. So we say columnar cells, just like columns. Then there is one more shape of the cell we can see. It is polygonal shape of cell, and this is the cell we can notice in our liver. So that is the example of liver cell. It is polygonal in structure, polygonal. One more example, if we talk about, that is spindle shape. I'm drawing here. You can see here. So these are the spindle shaped cell. और ये कहाँ मिलती हैं? These are found in our smooth muscles, which help in contraction. So these are the spindle shaped cell. Spindle shaped cell. And where it can be seen? In smooth muscles. cells. So variety of shape we can notice in the kingdom of cell. One more shape of the cell we can notice, that is longitudinal shape of the cell, and it is seen in nerve cell. So I'm drawing here one nerve cell. The nerve cell, it is longitudinal, it is very lengthy, and it having this fiber like a structure, dendron and dendrites. हम इसे डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे जब हम इस टॉपिक को पढ़ेंगे. So these nerve cell, they are longitudinal in shape. You can see the way I am drawing here. And this is nerve cell. It is longitudinal in shape. बहुत लंबी होती है ये सेल. डायग्राम बनाने के लिए कुछ बेसिक्स हैं, उनमें से एक है द बेसिक पैटर्न एंड सेकेंड इज क्लैरिटी. तो डायग्राम आप जब भी ड्रॉ करें, इन दोनों पैटर्न का याद रखें, किस तरह से एक सेल ड्रॉ हो रही है और दूसरा उसमें किस तरह से क्लैरिटी को मेंटेन करना है, ये आपको ज़रूर इस बात को ध्यान में रखना है. सो दिस इज नर्व सेल एंड इट इज अ longitudinal cell. Longitudinal shape of cell we can see in nerve cell. The example is our nerve cell, or they are nerve cell is also called neuron. कुछ सेल्स जो होती हैं वो ब्रांच होती हैं, जैसे क्रोमेटोफोर, पिगमेंट सेल. इसी तरह और भी अलग अलग तरीके के क्यूबोइडल सेल, लॉन्गिट्यूडनल सेल लाइक नर्व सेल. तो इस तरह की अलग अलग शेप हमें जनरली सेल के देखने को मिलते हैं, जो इस बात को रिफर करते हैं कि सेल वेरीज इन मेनी डिफरेंट शेप्स, एंड दैट इज नोन एज डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ द सेल अकॉर्डिंग टू शेप वाइज.